Set 5. D says D, like dog. Add, dad, damn, fad, mad, pad, sad, tad, dot, mod, nod, pod, sod, dip, did, dim, mid,